Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will be talking about what are the mistakes while reciting the Quran. Or let me rephrase it. In order to learn the correct way of reading, we should know what are the wrong ways. So let's discuss the mistakes. There are two kinds, clear mistakes and the hidden mistakes. Clear mistakes are as follows. The first one is when the reciter reads the wrong vowel. Like instead in the following ayat, قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. If the reader reads قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. So here instead of the kasra, it's read fatha. Or if the letter has a sukoon on it and it's read with the vowel or the haraka. Vowel and haraka in Arabic are fatha, kasra, and dhamma, or zir, zabr, pesh. Second category of mistakes is when the letter in a word pronounced wrong. For example, in the original word it is فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ, and the reader recites it as وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ. That will be a clear mistake. This is called clear mistake because any average reader of the Quran can point out these mistakes. Person doesn't need to be an expert in Tajweed. Now coming to the hidden mistakes. First one is leaving the principle of Tajweed, for example, leaving the Ghunnah. That will be explained inshallah in the coming sessions, what is Ghunnah. Second hidden mistake is when the rights of the vowels are not applied. Meaning when the reader is reading the fatha, he or she doesn't open the mouth and drop the lower jaw. So the authentic sound of doesn't come. In the similar manner, while reading the kasra, reader is required to drop the lower lip to make the e sound. And lastly, when dhamma comes, make your lips round first and then say the sound. This gives the proper oo sound. If the reciter doesn't follow these mouth movements or doesn't give the due rights of the vowels, not an average reader can point out these mistakes. Only an expert reader or learned person can do that. Mistake is a mistake, big or small, clear or hidden. Even if the mistake doesn't change the meaning of the Quran, it will be a mistake in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when someone chooses not to learn because of the lack of time, lack of interest, because of laziness or any other reason, will be considered a big negligence. Knowledge of Tajweed is the most honorable and one of the best due to its association with the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala words. May Allah guide us all the best. Jazakumullahu khairan.